fake vines on your wall and how to make them look as natural as possible. The vines I used are from Amazon. They are 84 inches long and come in a pack of 12. I'll put the link down below for those who are interested. I filmed a time lapse of myself putting up the vines, and I will give an explanation on how I did it and what materials I used. I will give a little disclaimer that I filmed the time lapse using my bedroom lighting at night, so the quality will look a little different. I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, let's get to it. And did I also mention it can be a fashion statement? Okay, let's get to it.
Let's get started with the supplies you'll need. You need clear plastic push pins or any kind you like. I prefer clear so it's less noticeable. And it also gives the vines a natural look on the wall. Next, you need painter's tape or any kind of sturdy tape to tape any leaves or vines onto the wall. This will also reduce wall damage from the push pins. Before we get started, I wanted to point out the vines come packaged together with these wired bands. I would advise to keep the vines tied together at one end to use a wire to hook a push pin into the corner of a wall. This will give the illusion that the plants are growing from one corner and will help assist with pinning up the other vines on the wall. Now the trick to make the vines look as natural as possible is to pin the vines in a wavy formation. This will mimic nature's real ivy vines that snake onto the wall, and it'll just make the fake plant look natural and real as possible. When I posted pictures, a lot of people kept asking if it's real, and I was like, no, it's fake. So here I am, showing you guys how to do it. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm hooking the vines into a corner of my wall with a push pin as explained earlier. I'll start untangling any vines that come messed up in the package. Next, I'll start with a base vine that will go straight across the upper edge of the wall. It will be the only straight vine. Now I'm pinning the vines in a snake formation as explained earlier. I found it best to make some in a random or the same wave formation. As long as there's no random gaps between the vines, you should be fine. And just repeat the whole process. And just for your safety, if you need a ladder to reach your wall, have someone in the room at all times, because in case of some accident occurs, you can't see it, but my mom and little sister were hanging out on my bed and just talking to me. And I do hit my head a couple times in the video because I'm too tall. So if you want to keep count how many times I hit my head, feel free to comment down below. I'm curious. Now I'm whipping out the tape to tape any individual leaves back into the wall. Some leaves will come damaged from packaging, so they will be not very cooperative, like bad hair days, so feel free to use the tape whenever you need to. And now I'll just remain quiet for the remainder of the time lapse. Enjoy!
Okay,